Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right. Not in real life. You won't fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break a neck. Well, I don't.
What's up, guys? Drasengan TV here, and today we're gonna give you a quick unboxing of my Panasonic Lumix G7. I finally got it, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys it. I'm just doing a new vlog here, so just bear with me. I'm just doing something different. So yeah, let's get into it. So I got the entire kit. Let me just show you what the camera looks like. Y'all know what a G7 looks like. This is it right here. Oh my, I got the silver version. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's elegant. It looks so gorgeous, man. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get the black one, but this is such a beauty. Let me just bring the camera down to the table so you can see the entire kit. So as you guys can see, this is the kit. This is all I got. I bought it from Amazon, and yeah, cost a pretty good chunk in the pocket. But this is the entire kit I got. So you already saw the camera, right? I got the lens. As you can see, this is the lens right here. It's the stock lens, the kit lens. It's 14 to 42 millimeter. Yeah, that's it right there. Pretty dope. We got the lens hood that comes in the box itself. We got the charger, comes in the box as well. We got something here like an adapter ring, something like that, to connect 46 millimeter to 58 millimeter on it as well. I'm not sure what this is actually, because I'm a noob right now, but yeah, it comes in the box, I would believe. This is the strap, comes in the box as well. That would go on the camera. You know, I'm gonna be using these. Also, got the HDMI cable. It's right here. Pretty nice cable, but yeah, it's silver tip. Actually, it's gold tip, so you know, no rust right there. So yeah, that's one. We got the USB to micro. I think it's micro USB or something like that, to send information from your SD card from the camera to the computer. So it connects your computer to your camera. I'm getting nervous on this video. What the hell? Yeah, that. Oh, and yeah, of course, you know, we got the CD. Oh my God, all untidy right now. Got a CD as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using these, but who knows? Maybe. I'm seeing programs on it, so yeah, I might use a CD. We got manuals, lots of manuals. I tear this from the box for my warranty. We got a lineup, something here. We got manual, more manuals, and some return stuff. Here are manuals actually. These are manuals, different languages, but yeah, I speak English only, so yeah, goes on the top. Right, now with the kit, what I got from the kit, I got some precision stuff, precision design stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and label it out. So I got a 0.45x wide angle conversion lens with macro component. So that would be one of these. Well, this is actually the telephoto one. So this is the macro one. Here it is. Beautiful, ain't it? Macro, as you can see right there. Macro, yeah. Wide angle lens. Perfect. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Hope it doesn't go all nuts on the focus. Perfect. We got that. We got some, according to this, we got a 2.5x telephoto conversion lens. That's this right here. Beautiful. Let me just show you the label. Professional HD DSLR MC autofocus 2.5 X telephoto lens, 58mm Japan optics. Perfect. Then we got 3 adapter rings. Those are these. We got the 49 to 58mm, I would assume, 52 to 58, and 55 to 58. And they're metal. Hear that? Has to be metal. Yeah, perfect. And put it back in the back. And 2 soft lens pouches. And I think these is these. Yeah, it's these. These are it. 2 front and 2 rear lens cap. That would maybe be this. And this, obviously. So 2 front and 2 back. I think 2 front and 2 back. So yeah. And we got the instruction sheet. Perfect. So this paper here tells me how to operate whatever I got here. Right. I got some other stuffs too. I got an external charger. Second one that comes outside of the box where the camera comes in. Fit it like that. And I think you can plug into your car charger or something like that. And plugs in. So this part right here fits perfectly, so has to be it. And this is where you put the universal charger if you want to go a different country. I'm not sure which country uses this. Maybe it's Germany or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's there. We got another battery, secondary battery. This one has 15 milliamp hours battery. 1500, sorry. Seems good. It says Panasonic. Hopefully it's the same one. It is the same one. It's the same size. Here it is. Yep. We got a USB connector where you can plug your SSD in. Did I just say SSD? Your micro SD and all kinds of stuff. It's a card reader, obviously. Can do a lot of stuff. Here is it. That's what I got. I got a UV filter from Videography accessories. Here it is. And this is it. I got a pouch where I can put my memory cards in. Pretty neat. It's like a drawer or a suitcase. Can hold a few. I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Can hold 8. Not bad. Or maybe more. Those are the big ones though. What else did I get? I got some filter screen protectors here from Precision Designs. Yeah, that's to go over the screen on the camera. I also got some cleaning kits. This is a cloth you can use to clean it. It's very soft. Where's the kit? Here's the kit. This is the cleaning kit. So I got this blowing thing here to blow the dust out. It's perfect. I got cleaning fluid. Got some Q-tips or air cleaners or whatever you call it. Got a brush. That's what we got in this. And what else? Oh, I also got a tripod. It's 50 inches according to what I see on Amazon when I purchased it. It's pretty light. It's really light. Trust me, it's light as heck. It's light. Very light. Oh my god. Yeah. It's really light. But apart from that, I hope it gets the job done. If I'm gonna be needing these, I will use it. I might need it. So yeah, who knows? And I got something here that I do not know what the heck it is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what these are. I don't know what the heck is this. Is it to change something? I don't even know how it connects. Yeah. Does it go on a tripod or something or top of the camera? I don't. Maybe it's some flash cap. Maybe it's a flash that go. Oh, I think I've seen this before. I think it will go on the flash and change the color of your flash. Make it blue, red, or whatever. What's the other color? Different whitish. But I'm not sure it works. I would have to research this. As I say, I'm a noob to this. I'm a rookie, amateur, whichever you want to call it, newbie. Yeah. So it's the start of something big. But I will get to know what these are called. I got them as well. So yes, I got this as your pouch. I think it should be a lens pouch. We can put your lens in, obviously, or maybe, I'm not sure. Are your lenses more than one lens? Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure. Remember, I'm still a noob. Yeah, and last but not least, I got a bag where I can put the camera in, and it has compartments, as you can see. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty perfect. I like it. It's dope. It gets the job done, hopefully. And yeah, that's dope. What did I miss? I hope I didn't miss anything. Yeah, I didn't miss anything. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna connect the camera. I'm gonna set it up for you guys. So Micro Four Thirds body, Lumix G7. That's it right here. Let me just take it off. But before I do that, let me mess with the lens a bit. So a little dust from the air. It's pretty dusty and hot here in Jamaica. But yeah. So let's open it. Perfect. Set it on the front. Hope you're seeing this. Spin this counterclockwise. Take it off. Connect. Match the red dots with the next red dot like this. Hope you're seeing it. Bam. And then you twist to the right clockwise till you hear a click. Perfect. Now for the front, like that. Take it off. Now the lens hood, we all know it protects the lens from in case it falls, and it also protects your lens from lens flare if you don't want any lens flare in your shot. I know that. So to connect it, and before I even go further into connecting it, it does look sexy. Like it looks dope. Makes you look professional, even though I'm a noob. However, go like this, line up the gray dot with the next gray dot, bam, just like so, twist clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. Perfect, there you go. Now I'm gonna turn on the camera and I'm gonna come closer so you can see it in like a first person view. Okay, hopefully this is fine. So you can open the screen. For the screen, it doesn't look like it's focused. Okay, you can open the screen like that. Perfect. It can twist like that, so you can do like selfie and stuff, and you see yourself. There it is. Perfect. It can go the other way, but not fully around. It stops right here. Yeah. So let's twist it around. Flick it back. You can close while it's open. Perfect. And you can turn it on. Let's turn it on. There it is. Now ain't she beautiful? This is just such a beauty. It is a beauty. I like it. I love it. Oh, I didn't mention there was a battery that comes along with the box itself, the camera box. It's already inside. The memory card is already inside as well. That was sent from the company that sold me the entire kit. It's from Amazon, but I'm not sure the company name. The link will be down in the description so you can see exactly where I got it from and the exact one that I get. However, yeah. So this button right here, focus, there it is. That opens a flash drawer. Perfect, there it is. It opens a flash. Yeah, that logo looks good. A little mix, so beautiful. All right, and you can close it down. So what I'm gonna be doing in the future, in the next video that's coming up, I'm gonna be taking some test shots, some video shots, and maybe a couple photo shots with the kit lens, and I'm gonna see what I can do, and I will show you guys. before I change the lens, I'm gonna get myself comfortable with the kit lens first. Learn the manual, learn about the camera. Try to be close to a pro, maybe a moderate level, not sure. And yeah, but the first lens I think I'm gonna get is gonna be a 50mm, but I won't put my hopes up in that. The wide angle lens goes on the front. You twist it back like this. Let me see if I can grab it. It's far away. This thing is sticking out. You would put it on the front, but before you put it on the front, I think you would have to use one of those things there. Let's see. Trying to be careful here. The one that comes with the camera works fine. I tried it already. I'm just gonna try it again. Like that. And you spin it. Fits perfectly. And then you put the one with the macro on it. I think you spin like that. It makes it wide. Perfect. Come on, give me some focus. Give me some focus juice. No focus juice. Come on. There it is. And it just looks wider. It's still sharp, maybe not in the edges, I'm not sure. There it is. It looks even wider than this. Oh, let me show you my setup. Oh, wait, I can't show you my setup. I'm using a different camera. But yeah, I'm gonna have to record a separate video. Yo, but with this on it though, it gets heavy. Really heavy. Well, yeah, that will be it for the video. I'm gonna use a flash and take a quick picture. No, I don't need to use a flash. I already have a light up. Let's focus that. Perfect. It's dope. Awesome. Oh, I wonder if I can just show you what I look like. Yeah, I'm experimenting, guys. I'm sorry. And this is me behind the lens. I'm sweaty, as you can see. I'm shiny. It's so hot here with lights all over. Yeah, it's pretty dope. And I'm using my Note 4 to record. So yeah, but that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and out. Stay tuned for the test shots in the next video coming up pretty soon. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. And subscribe for more. Like if you want to like the video, or dislike if you want to dislike it. It's up to you. It's up to you. Your guys' preference. But whatever you guys do, I appreciate it. Love you guys. Thank you. Goodbye. See ya.